In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Cloudflare, an essential tool for optimizing the security and performance of your website. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the initial setup process on Cloudflare in just a few easy steps. First, let's navigate to Cloudflare's website. This is your gateway to enhancing your site's speed and protection. When you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice it's designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each part of the setup process with ease. If you're not already a registered user, you'll want to create an account. The process is quite straightforward, requiring just your basic information, and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're logged in, the next step is crucial: entering your domain. This is essentially the web address of your site, the one you want to enhance using Cloudflare services. Simply type your domain name into the designated field and click Continue. Doing so initiates Cloudflare's process of searching for the existing DNS records associated with your domain. It's a powerful feature that automatically imports these records, ensuring that your existing settings remain intact during the transition to Cloudflare's platform. After you've entered your domain, you'll need to select a plan. Fortunately, for those who are just exploring or might be on a tight budget, Cloudflare offers a free plan that provides the core functionalities necessary for most websites. It's a fantastic starting point that doesn't require any financial commitment while still offering robust features. Once you've selected the appropriate plan, Cloudflare will run a search for your DNS records as we mentioned earlier. This step is crucial as it verifies that all traffic management settings are correctly imported. At this point, Cloudflare gives you the option to manually add or modify any DNS record. While for most users, the automatic import will suffice, having the ability to customize these settings can be a real lifesaver for advanced users wanting to tweak configurations for specific subdomains or services. It's one of those advanced features that offer more control over how your website is accessed and managed. And just like that, we've reached our final step. Once your DNS records are confirmed and imported, Cloudflare will give you the green light that you're all set up. The simplicity and thoroughness of this process are what make Cloudflare such a valuable tool for web management. By following these steps, you've now integrated your site with Cloudflare, enhancing its security and performance without introducing any complexity to the management process. In wrapping up, it's important to highlight the benefits Cloudflare provides, from improved load times to enhanced security measures. You'll find these improvements contribute significantly to a better user experience on your site. I encourage you to explore Cloudflare's dashboard further, as there are many more advanced features that you might find useful as you become more familiar with the service. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your Cloudflare journey an effortless one.